Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for Wednesday, February 6, 2013. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that the purpose of this daily review is to show you how I do my analysis, not to give you trading advice. The U.S. markets were a bit indecisive today as they closed mixed. The S&P and Dow Jones were up slightly while the Nasdaq was down slightly. Here's the price chart for the E-mini S&P 500 Index Futures. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where the markets are going. The S&P continues to be bullish even though we've been consolidating for a couple of days. The next target remains at 1528, a resistance point, and seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 1468 as seen by the light green oval. Here is the US dollar index futures price chart. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar forex pairs will move. The US dollar index bounced off of 79 as seen by the light green oval, and it's continuing to move up. Perhaps we'll see a run back up to about 81 as seen by the pink oval. Once a day after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a review of all 28 Forex pair price charts, and this takes less than 30 minutes per day. Here are Wednesday's results. In the table on the left, we'll make a notation when a pair has a green ADX. If the ADX was red, there isn't a trend, so we'll just put a dash. If the trend is bullish, this means the price is increasing, and we put a green up arrow. If the trend is bearish, it means the price is decreasing, and we put a red down arrow. We consolidate the information from the ADX table, and in the table in the upper right, we'll note the strength of each currency. The strength can range from 0 to +7 for bullish, or from 0 to -7 for bearish. And in the lower right-hand corner, we'll list the Forex pairs that may be setting up for a trade. The whole purpose of this analysis is to choose the Forex pairs that have the highest probability of making a successful trade. So we'll match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies to make the best pairs to trade. Today, as yesterday, we have 3 weak currencies and 2 strong currencies. There are 6 qualifying pairs: the Euro Aussie, the Euro Pound, the Euro Yen, the Aussie Swiss, the Pound Swiss, and the Swiss Yen. Let's look quickly at each pair to see which may be setting up. All 6 pairs have a green ADX. Here's the price chart for the Euro Aussie. The price has recently broken out of this long-term consolidation, and it's now sitting just above support at 1.3033. Our potential entry would be here at the conjunction of the 21 and 55-day Donchian Channels. Here is the price chart for the Euro Pound. The pricing is currently in consolidation, and the long-term resistance is here at 0.8832. Here's the price chart for the Euro Yen. As you can see, the price has had a long ride up. We're currently at resistance at 127.92. Here's the price chart for the Aussie Swiss. As you can see, it has been in a long-term consolidating mode. It's finally broken through, and long-term support is here at 0.9217. Here's the price chart for the Pound Swiss. As you can see, it has recently broken down through support and is now sitting at long-term support at 1.4176. Here's the price chart for the Swiss Yen. It's presently consolidating for a couple of days. Long-term resistance is at 108.73. There are currently no open trades. We also don't have any new orders. Though there are 6 qualifying pairs today, we'll still wait another day before looking at a potential trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of the page.